Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of quality videos on the application of TED Talks app. You will go to this sign or to this window of settings and you will click here. In this page you will go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings, as you see here, and you will click. Then in this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of TED Talks. You will go down until you find it here and you will click as you see. Then in this page of app info you will click in this window of permissions and you can click here. When you will enter to this page, you will make sure that all permissions are allowed, especially this permission of notifications. You will click on it like this. You will find it here like this, allowed, but if it's not allowed, you will turn on allow notifications to allow this permission. After that, you will return. You will go to this sign of first stop and you will click OK, and here you will enter to the window of storage and you will click here. Then in this page of storage you will find here clear cache. You will click on it. As you see, it's already clicked, but you should to click on clear cache. Then you will go to this window of Play Store. You will search out the application of TED Talks and you click here. Then as you see here, if you find update in this blue sign, of course you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you or not solving your problem, then you should uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. After these steps here, we will go to this window or to this application of TED to check if everything is good. Here we will wait a moment to find the application like this. And here in this page you can choose any video, for example this. And then here you will check the quality of these videos here. You can check in the
So my moment of truth did not come.
Here you will check the quality of video here. So as you see here, the quality of videos are so good. So that's all. That's how to fix the problem of the quality of videos on the application of TED Talks, as you see. So don't